no idea what this takes to get two young dogs to sit in one spot for an interview. But here they are, Stella, Josie. Yes, Stella's older by 2 months. Stella is a Wheaten Terrier, and I get messages every day on Instagram about these two crazy maniacs. So I thought I would do a video, a day in the life of Stella and Josie. Because I know they're amazing. I agree. I fully agree. Stella has the most beautiful eyelashes. We would all pay hundreds of dollars for these eyelashes. She grows them naturally. Isn't she lucky? She is my independent, strong Wheaten Terrier. She loves the cold. She sits out on the diving board in the winter with the pool covered. She's got her seasons messed up by the pool. I don't know. Loves the winter, never really wants to come in, demands that Josie go out. Josie would be an indoor dog if that was possible. They're cute. They ruin my house daily. They chew my flowers. But they're a ton of fun, and I can't imagine life without them. Yeah, right, girls? Now, Stella is about 40 pounds. Neither of them shed, which I love. She started off really dark brown and then turned to this blonde. She's gone blonde because apparently blondes have more fun, I guess she thought. So I hope you can see. I know the sun's over here, but I hope you can see. I don't dare move them. You know what I'm saying? They're like two babies. You have to go with what you got. Stella likes to bark, and go in and out 3,000 times she's using the bowl a day. These are the deer antler. They can chew them for hours. They don't smell, they don't sting. They're wonderful. So if you have a puppy, they're kind of pricey. Like one little antler thing is like, you know, $18, $15. They're not cheap. But they both have on their mini collars from when we went to Disney. Oh, the other thing for flea and tick, because I back up to All Woods and we will have a ton of fleas and ticks. I do the Seresto collars. Not sponsored, not anything. Love them. Don't see a flea or a tick ever. And with any of the other things, they brought them in. But those collars, and they last 8 months. They can get wet, they can go in the pool, doesn't matter. This is the perfect, like this explains it perfectly. See, Miss Independent, let me chew my bone. Miss, let me lay in your lap all day. They both eat the same kibble, dry food, that's what we feed them, and we add there's my barker, sit. The Stella the little ball of dry. It's raw, but it's dried, comes in all different flavors. I'll show you later on in the video. We add that to their kibble to spice it up. Sometimes I add a little chicken broth in there for them because the kibble gets boring. Oh, hold on. There you go. We are on an acre. They are fenced in, but they also have an invisible fence. Because before we had the pool, we didn't have a fence. So, Josie, stay with me. Oh, you have my hat. Now, Josie will carry around, literally, I think she was a hamster in another life, 12 things in her mouth the entire day. She will. She'll have a shoe, a hat, a bone, and a rock in her mouth. I do. I think, oh, Stella, are you leaving us? Okay, Stelzy, I'll see you later. Your interview, yep, you can go. You can go. Want to come back up? Want to come up? Come on. Come on. Come here, Stella. Now, Josie is an Irish Terrier. She, too, is about 40 pounds. Come on up, Stella. Come on. Doesn't shed. Very, very sweet. Very sweet. There goes Stella. She's like, I'm out of here for this. Josie, we kind of laugh. very sweet. Sometimes the captain left the ship, but that's what makes her Josie. The funny thing is all the stuff, right? All the stuff you hoard in your mouth. She talks a little bit. Ow! Eats the same kibble. Right now we're feeding them, I forget, it's a grain-free. We swap around with a few of them. And they're eating duck and it smells horrendous. I mix hers too with the Stella and Chewy little chicken. And this is Josie. She's got some fancy eyelashes. Oh look, they're best buddies. They really are. They're 2 months apart. Same year. They'll be 3 this coming summer. And yeah, oh, look, she's on an end table. Where you going? Well, I don't know what else. Irish Terrier, Wheaten Terrier, both females. Josie. Stella's gonna bark any minute. And they're just a ton of fun. They are full of, oh, Josie gardens for me. Yes, actually this morning she brought to the door, she dug up, and it's cold and frozen, one of my plants from the garden. Roots, dirt, and all, brought it right to the door. Stella, come here, come here. Last year she brought in an allium, those are onions, big long onion in her mouth. She smelled like an onion for 2 hours. But these are them. They're them, and I want to show you. You can hear. This is a day in the life of Stella and Josie. So if you'd like to watch more of them, then just keep watching. Josie? Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, it's dinner. The all mine bowl is Josie's because she hogs everything in her mouth. Bark, Stella. I love the Rae Dunn bowls. We feed them a grain-free kibble. It's duck at the moment. And then we mix it with these meal mixers from Stella and Chewy's. We get them on Amazon. Their water bowl is a Mickey dessert bowl from the Magic Kingdom. Okay, we're getting ready to go out. They have matching coats because, of course, they need matching coats. Green is Josie. It's a little bit thicker. She gets a little colder. Red, Stella. Who's first? Who's ready to go out? Who's ready to go out? You guys going out? Yeah?
Everybody's sleeping, all is